Okay, so this is Chukwu the Martins Maris, and in this space, I teach you how to avoid Ponzi schemes and fake crypto investment platforms. All right, so few days back, I did a review of the crypto market, and of course, we I stated very clearly that Bitcoin is not going up for now. All right, because the market will continue to chop, and price may continue to drop even up to 50,000. After I made that video, the following week, Bitcoin actually dropped to 59,000. All right. Now, listen again. Sometimes I look at some persons who look down on technical analysis and crypto knowledge. The point is that you cannot ignore technical analysis, you cannot ignore fundamental analysis, you cannot ignore um, uh, all types of data analysis and also on-chain analysis when it comes to the crypto space, and you still want to survive. All right, if you ignore all these, you will not survive because the market will chase you out. That is just the fact. So that is why I always say that you need to go for knowledge. Now today is uh 28th of February, and you can see what is happening. The price of Bitcoin is currently 63,007, just between 63,007, 63,006. And there is also an overview on TradingView. You can see that there is a pop-up message that long-term Bitcoin holders have sold more in the past 3 months than since January 2024, contributing to the recent price drop and raising concerns about potential market manipulation. All right, so that is the face we are, because I stated the other day that crypto have different faces. All right, the face we are is a face where people sell. That is a face where adopters sell. All right, and this is actually when you have to do, when you have to strategize yourself, when you have to take advantage of the market. All right, so sometimes you will be asking, should I buy now or should I sell now? The only thing that can answer that question is your knowledge of the market trend. You need to understand the market trend and the market structure for you to know if this is the right time for you to buy as a holder or not. All right, so now if we go to the news, for instance, on TradingView, you can see different types of news that is affecting the market. Bitcoin plunges as US and Israel launch military strike on Iran. All right, you know that whenever there is a war news, it always affects the price of Bitcoin or crypto, because war news will always lead to market dump, because there will be dump in the market. So as of today, there is a war news, and it is also already affecting the market. All right. And then another thing is also another news here by 7:57 still today, where Israel launches preemptive attack on Iran as $100 million in crypto long got liquidated in minutes. All right, so these are what affects the market. So that's why you need to be abreast with the news before you buy that coin. So before you buy that coin or decide to trade, always do go to your trading view, do some analysis, do your technical analysis, do your on-chain analysis, apply every strategy you want before you click that buy button. Because if you don't do your research, if you don't know what people are saying, and you don't have your own prior knowledge about the market, you may buy at the wrong time. All right, you may buy at the wrong time. And on TradingView, you can see some persons that always drop signal. But one thing I have to tell you that these signals you see on TradingView may not be absolute, because the person may drop the signal and market may change, and the person may decide to close the trade without telling you what to do, and you'll be confused. All right, so that's why you still need to have your own knowledge. All right, so That is it. So you can see a lot of other people's prediction. As at today, 4 minutes ago, you can see what this space, the signal this space dropped 5 minutes ago. Queen Trade FX say that BTC is pushing strong from 63,000 to 63,600 support. Momentum building and buyers stepping in. If price holds above current structure, move towards um move towards 64,000 looks very likely soon. Bullish pressure remains strong on lower time frames. All right, so this is where you see different people's opinion about the current market price, and you can decide to also add this to your own analysis and conclude on what you want to do in the market. All right, so that is it about today. All right, so when I started, it was 63,007. To as at now, it is 63,006. All right, so there is a tendency that looking at what is happening in the market today, the price may chop up to 63,000 and before any reversal, if there is massive buying. All right, so if people start trading and start buying again, the price may go up a bit. If not, looking at the fact that this is weekend, the price may drop to 60,000 or below. Thank you.